రాజ్యసభలో YCP MP Vijaya Sai Reddy మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
Depends upon the situation prevailing at that point of time. As 91st constitutional amendment, saying that it is not 1/3 and 2/3 of the members who switch over from one political party to another political party would only be construed as a split, not even split, or it would be construed as an amalgamation of the legislature party. Therefore, the disqualification proceedings would not be attracted. 2 more minutes, sir. I'll finish it off. Please, sir. It is a very important subject. See, when Congress was in power, they have taken advantage of these loopholes. When NDA has come to power, they are trying to take advantage of these loopholes. So whichever party in power, they always take advantage. Ultimately, these opposition parties, which are, see, the very foundation of democracy is at stake today. That's why I'm requesting you to give me 2-3 more minutes.
I cannot extend,
sir, please,
time and again. Please conclude, sir, now. Please conclude now.
Sir, you are also affected. I am also affected. Everybody here is affected. Sir, I'll tell you the why. How the power is vested with the speaker. Subpara 2 of para 2 of para 7 of 10th schedule says that the power is vested with the speaker. Further, para 7 of the 10th schedule says that any proceedings, and also I'm also referring to 212 of Article 212 of the Constitution, says that any proceedings relating to disqualification would be construed as parliamentary proceedings or legislature proceedings. Therefore, the courts are barred from interfering in that in the proceedings. This is the status now. If this is the scenario, in the light of this scenario, whenever the elected representatives from many political parties, other than the ruling dispensation, they switch over freely, taking bribes and taking money, and then switch over the party, switching over the loyalties, and bravely and blatantly, and they switch over the party, and the speakers of the respective assemblies are not in a position to take the decision because there is no provision that has been incorporated either in 52nd Amendment or 91st Amendment. Therefore, there is a necessity as of today to introduce an amendment to plug up that loophole, stating that there has to, stipulating that a time limit within which the speaker has to dispose of the disqualification petition filed before him.
Thank you.
I request the August House to take note of it and then implement it immediately. And also I request the government, because former law minister is present, and in fact he also should have dealt with this situation, and his state also. His state, in fact, when they were not in power, they were also the sufferers.
Thank you.
We should remember that. Sir, one more issue, final issue.
Sir, no more issues. One more issue. You will have another occasion to speak.
I'll just refer it and then leave it, sir. Women reservations. This is very, very important issue. Women reservation bill, which has been passed by this Rajya Sabha August House and sent to Lok Sabha, has lapsed on account of dissolution of Lok Sabha. The government of the day, the NDA government, there is every necessity today for the NDA government to implement it in order to empower the woman and then bring it to force immediately. And I would have spoken much more on this, because since you are not allowing me to make my submissions,
your time is over. I am giving you extra time. Thank you very much. Next speaker is Joy Abraham.
I am thankful to you, sir. Thankful to you.
Thank you.
Well done, sir. Well done.